Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. In hot months, your modules are quietly running a temperature tax that almost never makes it into the headline numbers. Temperature coefficients look harmless on a datasheet. Applied to a 50 MW site, they are a serious D-rate. ClearSpot's thermal agents track that tax automatically. Cell temperature, not just ambient, drives output. Poor airflow, back of module heating, and localized hotspots all stack. Our agents take full-site thermal scans, correlate them to performance, and build a temperature loss picture you do not get from SCADA alone. Not every hot module is a defect. The thermal agent learns what normal hot looks like for each block and flag strings or areas that are systematically hotter, with a clear estimate of the associated yield loss. Instead of manual spot checks with a handheld camera and a lot of guesswork, the agent processes everything in one run and hands engineering teams a short list of zones to inspect or redesign. Avoid blocked airflow, watch back-of-module shading, rethink mounting choices in extreme climates, and use the agent's history to measure the impact of every change. No new data pipeline, just better use of what you already capture. The temperature loss playbook and sample thermal analytics are in the resource list for this episode. Download them by going to the ClearSpot demo page and requesting the temperature resource for this video. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.